Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel S video. Guys, today in this video I'm sharing one of very special, beautiful and most demanding designs of the different footwear. Keeping in mind your choice and taste and your demand, you see that in this collection you will find peep toe style, round square, round toe design and square toe design, which are introduced with chunky style of heel, kitten heel and block heel, slingback style, sandals, slippers, and then you will find number of shoes. Everything you will find here of your choice. See, these designs are so different and attractive that I'm sure that you will also love to see these designs and styles. Please thumbs up for this video and share it with your friends and family members as much as you can. And if you're new here in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe this video channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of every new uploads of your choice. Guys, keep in touch with this video till end so that first you go through all these stunning designs. I'm sure that when you are watching these different designs and these are displayed in front of your screen, each and every pair will be the source of attraction for yourself. Latest designs, fashion 2022 collection you are watching here. So guys, this today's collection is very special for all of you. These dress shoes are very beautiful and pretty, and especially when you see different colors, these are very attractive. Okay guys, these all designs are introduced at this time at the rate of $20 to $30, and this is one of a reasonable price, and these all latest designs fashion 2022 collection you are watching here. And now it's time that your question that how we can buy it and where these collections are and how to contact. So for that sake, just go to description box of this video. Now, number of different viewers used to ask me that where is description box. Just you simply click on the title of this particular video, and you will see that when you scroll down, you will find the description box is open for yourself, where you will find the link of this site, and that is necessary because when you are going to be directed towards that particular site over there of your choice pair, you can find the right color for yourself, and then after selecting the right size you can order one of the pair for yourself. So these all designs and styles are walk friendly, foot friendly, and these are beautiful designs which is one of the best collection you are watching here. So you can also drop your valuable comment in the comment section, because your comment and your likes matter a lot for myself. So please keep in touch, keep watching and keep sharing your views in the comment section. And if you want to ask any question, you're most welcome for that also. Guys, you can share these designs and styles what I'm sharing with you people, with your all loved one, your dearer one, so that everyone comes to know about these designs and styles, that which type of colors, which type of designs are in fashion, and which sort of pairs you can keep for your casual wear and formal wear and office wear. So these all guideline for these all guideline you can see these collection, and you have to keep in touch with this video channel. And thank you so very much for watching today's video, for your all love and attention and your precious time. Take care of yourself till the next collection. Allah Hafiz.